Hey everyone, today I want to tell you about yet another discovery coming out of the rich amber deposits in Myanmar. These amber deposits are an absolute treasure trove of paleontological information, because over millions of years, all manner of things have somehow ended up encased in this amber. We've found plants, insects, reptiles, dinosaur parts like bones and feathers, and most recently, a very young snake, given the species designation Zoophis myanmarensis. The discovery of a tiny baby snake encased in this Myanmar amber has given valuable insights into the early evolution of snakes as a clade. The researchers who analyzed the specimen come from the China University of Geosciences and the University of Alberta. Led by Lyda Zhang and Michael Caldwell, the research team used uranium-lead dating to find the fossils to be around 99 million years old. Describing the baby snake fossils, the authors say, quote, "This unique and very tiny snake fossil is an articulated postcranial skeleton, which includes posterior precloacal, cloacal, and caudal vertebra, and details of squamation and body shape." Unquote. Okay, there was a lot of technical jargon there, so let me break it down a little bit. An articulated skeleton means that they found a skeleton with complete joints that articulate. It's not just a single bone or fragments or something. And the precloacal, cloacal, and caudal vertebra means that they found the full spinal column of the snake. Postcranial means that it didn't have a skull. For whatever reason, the snake's skull wasn't with its body, it just wasn't preserved. Although we can't know for sure, I think that there's a decent probability that the snake died when something bit off its head, and its motionless body was subsequently encased in amber. Alternatively, it died of any other thing, and scavengers made off with its skull. Squamation and body shape refers to the snake's lack of limbs, to the serpentine body form that it has, which defines how it moves across the ground, how it hides, how it sleeps, how it mates, and how it hunts. Basically, this baby snake fossil that's 100 million years old shares quite a lot of traits with snakes today, which means that snake physiology has remained fundamentally unchanged for at least 99 million years. Snakes were able to survive an asteroid impact that killed off pretty much every dinosaur cousin that they had, unchanged. And when the surviving descendants of the archosaurs evolved into birds, they became the predators of snakes. And yet, even this new threat of raptors attacking them from the sky did not fundamentally alter the body plan of the snake. That's a testament to how powerful the snake's body form is, to how evolutionarily effective it is as a biological platform that hunts, reproduces, and escapes predators. Seriously, the body form of the slithering limbless serpent has been independently evolved 26 times. The researchers also say, quote, "The new species is the first Mesozoic snake to be found in a forested environment, indicating greater ecological diversity among early snakes than previously thought." Unquote. Now this is really interesting, because it sheds some light on the evolutionary origins and the early history of snakes. The current data isn't exactly clear. There's two competing hypotheses. One is that snakes evolved from burrowing lizards that lived in sand plains, open fields, and savanna, other dry environments that were relatively unforested. And the other hypothesis is that they evolved from swimming reptiles that lost their legs in the water and then recolonized land, but never regrew legs. They just slithered along on land and continued diversifying. Future studies will eventually clear up this mystery, as every new discovery of a snake fossil, even a tiny little 99 million year old baby snake, helps us piece together the story of their evolution.